Is there anything to eat in this house?
Sam, dinner is only an hour away. Can you wait?
No, I'm starving. Are there any chips?
No, chips all gone.
I think what your brother is trying to say is that he ate all the chips, and now he's over there in front of the TV in a snack-induced coma.
Stuart, I wanted some chips.
Chips all gone.
Sam, why don't you have some carrots or celery in the fridge?
Ew, you mean vegetables for a snack?
Yes, vegetables are good for you, and they'll fill you up and give you a lot more energy than what chips would have done. Just look at your brother over there. He can hardly move from the TV.
Yeah, I sure don't want to look like that.
No. Besides, wasn't it in church just this last week when you learned how to be a good steward of your body?
Yeah, they said that God made us and He made our bodies, and He wants us to take care of them.
And how do you think we could do that?
Well, I guess by eating the right things, by not doing things that are harmful to our body, by getting plenty of fresh air and exercise, and by not sitting on the couch and watching TV all afternoon.
All those are good ideas, Sam. And in fact, Stuart, isn't it about time to take the dog for a walk?
Mom, I don't want to get up, and I don't want to miss the last of this TV show.
Stuart, I think you've watched enough television for today. And besides that, you've seen the show 5 times already.
Oh, Mom.
Stuart, I think I remember telling you to clean your room too. Have you picked up at all?
Well...
I thought so. Remember the other thing that you learned about being a good steward is to be a good steward of your world. Part of your world, Stuart, is your room. And another part is your dog too.
Okay, I'll go. You know, Mom's right. I do have to take care of my room. I have a lot of nice stuff, and I need to take care of it. I wonder what other things in the world I should be taking care of. This is my house, and one of the things I need to do is take care of it. We need to keep it clean and nice looking, both inside and out. My dad lets me help mow the lawn and take care of the flower garden. This is a big fir tree in our yard, and we have a whole family of quail living in it. Sometimes my sister Sam and I put out bird food for them, especially in the winter so they have plenty of food to eat. My dad says as long as we're not noisy around them or hurting them, they will live in our tree. That's one way of taking care of God's creatures. This is my dog Snoopy. Snoopy is our family's pet. We saw him at a doggy shelter and wanted to take him home. Mom and Dad said okay, but we have to make sure he has food and water every day, and it's our job to clean up his messes in the backyard. I really don't like that part very much. Another one of our jobs is to take him on walks, which is really fun because he likes going outside. But most of the time, he walks us. Ah! Have you thought of ways yet that you could take better care of yourself? How about taking care of your world? God has put us in charge of taking care of things right around our house, school, and church. We sure have learned a lot about being stewards of the things God has put us in charge of. Being good stewards of our money, our time, our relationships, our gifts, and everything that's a part of our world is our way of showing God that we are thankful for everything He has given us. I hope you've had a blast learning about all these things with Sam and I. Keep growing and learning and watching for ways that you can be faithful stewards of everything God has put in our lives. See ya! Does anybody know how to get home from here?